Hello everyone. Today we will be installing a B&P Manufacturing retractable ratchet strap kit to a B&P hand truck or any other hand truck that uses a 12-inch frame. In your kit you will receive a ratchet strap, a 12-inch frame bracket, 4 1/4-inch bolts, 4 1/4-inch locking nuts, and 4 rivets for blind installations. The tools you will need for this installation will include a Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16 end wrench, or a 7/16 socket wrench, and possibly a rivet gun. Let's get started by grabbing the ratchet strap bracket and screws. If you are unable to use the screws and nuts, you will need to use the rivets provided in the kit. And insert a screw into each hole provided in the frame. If assembling the ratchet strap kit on a hand truck that does not have a B&P frame, your mounting holes may not line up and you will need to drill the holes like this. After you have inserted the screws, add the nuts and make sure to tighten all fasteners to 8 foot-pounds. Once all fasteners are installed and tight, you are ready to stack, strap, and secure your load for transport. Thank you for watching our ratchet strap installation video. For additional information or assistance, please contact your distributor or our customer support line.